Think you've seen it all in the kitchen? Think again. These crazy Amazon gadgets are about to flip your cooking routine upside down. From innovative time savers to jaw-dropping tools you didn't know you needed, they're here to totally change how you cook in 2025. Get ready for smarter, faster, and way more fun meal prep. All product links are down in the description. Tired of soggy salads? The OXO Salad Spinner makes drying your greens a breeze. With its non-slip base and soft ergonomic handle, it provides a smooth spin, ensuring you get crisp, dry lettuce every time. Simply pump the handle and watch as excess water is removed in seconds. Ideal for anyone looking to elevate their salad game, this tool will make your meal prep quicker and cleaner. Plus, it's super easy to clean and store. Say goodbye to the mess of traditional salt and pepper shakers with this sleek grinder set. With adjustable coarseness settings, you can fine-tune your spices to perfection. The ceramic grinders are durable and easy to refill, while the ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip. Perfect for home chefs and anyone who loves adding fresh seasoning. Keep your countertop organized with this automatic soap dispenser. The touchless design dispenses just the right amount of soap, preventing waste and keeping your kitchen hygienic. The sleek, modern look fits perfectly into any kitchen decor, and its one-touch operation makes cleaning up easier than ever. Great for busy families or in anyone looking for a more sanitary way to handle dishwashing. The blue Ginkgo strainer basket is a versatile kitchen tool designed to help you drain pasta, vegetables, and more with ease. It features an ergonomic handle that makes it easy to hold, even when it's full of hot liquids. The compact design fits perfectly in most sinks, and it's made of durable, rust-resistant materials. A must-have for busy cooks or anyone who loves making fresh pasta at home. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleanup. Get perfectly cooked meat every time with this digital meat thermometer. It provides an instant reading with pinpoint accuracy, so you can ensure your steaks, chicken, or roasts are cooked to your liking. Its sleek design and easy-to-read LCD display make it a must-have for anyone who loves cooking meat to perfection. And the best part? It's waterproof, so you can easily clean it after each use. The Rotary cheese shredder makes shredding cheese fast and effortless. With a simple rotary motion, you can shred blocks of cheese into perfectly uniform pieces, ideal for adding to pasta, salads, or pizza. The durable stainless steel drum and handle ensure easy use, while the compact design allows for convenient storage. Great for anyone who loves cheese but hates the mess of manual shredding. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Cut down on prep time with the V-Blade Veggie Chopper. This gadget is a real time saver, slicing and dicing vegetables in seconds with its sharp stainless steel blades. It comes with multiple blade options for different cuts, so you can easily make everything from julienne fries to chopped onions. Perfect for busy cooks or health-conscious eaters, this chopper lets you prepare meals quickly and without the mess. Plus, it's easy to clean with removable parts. The Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is a game-changer for breakfast lovers. In just minutes, you can cook up to 6 eggs to perfection, whether you prefer them soft, medium, or hard-boiled. Its compact design fits easily on any countertop, and the non-stick tray makes cleanup a breeze. Ideal for busy mornings or anyone looking to streamline their meal prep. Bonus, it can even steam vegetables, making it a versatile kitchen tool. Tired of digging through drawers for measuring spoons? These steel magnetic measuring spoons are a kitchen game changer. Their magnetic design keeps them neatly stacked together, so you'll always have the right size when you need it. Made from durable stainless steel, they're perfect for precision cooking, whether you're baking or preparing savory dishes. A must-have for anyone who loves organized kitchens. And they're dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. The OXO Dough Cutter is a must-have for bakers and anyone who loves working with dough. This handy tool helps you cut and divide dough effortlessly, giving you even portions every time. The comfortable, ergonomic handle provides a firm grip. Say goodbye to store-bought bread with the Micronic bread maker. This automatic bread maker does it all. Mixes, kneads, rises, and bakes your perfect loaf right at home. With 12 preset programs, including gluten-free and whole wheat, this machine offers endless possibilities for fresh bread. Ideal for bread lovers or anyone looking to enjoy the smell of freshly baked bread without the hassle. Plus, it's easy to clean with a non-stick pan. Make your kitchen more organized with the Stowaway cutting board. This unique board features a collapsible design that folds for easy storage, saving precious counter space. Its deep sides prevent juice and liquids from spilling, while the non-slip feet keep it stable during use. Whether you're chopping vegetables or carving meat, this cutting board is perfect for those with limited counter space. Bonus, it doubles as a food prep station with built-in compartments. Whisking just got a whole lot easier with the semi-automatic whisk. With just a press of a button, this gadget whisks your ingredients for you, saving time and effort. It's perfect for mixing eggs, batter, or sauces, ensuring a smooth consistency every time. The ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to hold, and the removable head makes cleanup quick and easy. Perfect for anyone who loves to bake but doesn't want to tire out their arm. Brew the perfect cup of tea with the Highwire glass teapot. This elegant teapot features a durable glass design that lets you watch your tea steep to perfection. The stainless steel infuser ensures you get the fullest flavor from loose-leaf tea, while the heat-resistant handle keeps your hands safe. Ideal for tea lovers or anyone looking to add a touch of sophistication to their tea time. Bonus, it's microwave safe for easy reheating. The Zwilling vacuum sealer is the ultimate tool for preserving food. Whether you're storing meat, vegetables, or leftovers, this vacuum sealer ensures your food stays fresh for up to 5 times longer. The easy-to-use design makes it simple to seal food and prevent freezer burn. Perfect for meal prep enthusiasts or anyone looking to cut down on food waste. Plus, it comes with a built-in cutter to create custom-sized bags. Say goodbye to lumpy pancake batter with the Whisware pancake batter mixer. This gadget helps you mix your batter quickly and evenly, creating the smoothest pancakes every time. The ergonomic design makes it easy to hold and pour, while the built-in shaker ensures no mess. Perfect for families or anyone who loves making pancakes from scratch. Bonus, it also works for waffle batter, giving you more versatility in the kitchen. Chop, dice, and slice with ease using the electric vegetable chopper. This compact gadget makes prep time a breeze, handling everything from onions to carrots in seconds. The powerful motor ensures quick, even chopping, while the safe, easy-to-use design means no more cutting yourself. Ideal for anyone who loves cooking but hates the tedious prep work. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleanup. Make healthy, delicious desserts with Yonanas. This gadget transforms frozen fruit into a creamy ice cream-like treat in seconds. Whether you're craving banana ice cream or fruit sorbet, Yonanas turns healthy ingredients into a sweet indulgence without added sugars. It's perfect for anyone looking to satisfy their sweet tooth with a nutritious twist. Bonus, it's a fun way to get kids excited about eating fruits and veggies. The Ninja Possible Cooker is your all-in-one cooking solution. From slow cooking to sautéing, it handles every step of your meal prep. Its large capacity is perfect for making stews, soups, and casseroles, while the non-stick surface ensures easy cleanup. Ideal for busy individuals or families, this cooker lets you prepare meals in less time with less mess. Bonus, it's designed to be portable, making it perfect for tailgates or family gatherings. Create fresh, creamy milk at home with the Chef Wave Milk Maker. Whether you want almond milk, oat milk, or soy milk, this gadget allows you to make your favorite non-dairy milks in minutes. It's perfect for health-conscious individuals, vegans, or anyone looking to cut down on store-bought milk. Plus, it's super easy to use. Just add your ingredients, press a button, and let the machine do the rest. Bonus, it has a self-cleaning function, so you don't have to worry about the mess. The OXO Egg Separator is a simple yet essential kitchen tool for anyone who loves baking or making recipes that require separated eggs. Its unique design makes it easy to separate egg whites from yolks with just a quick crack. The non-slip handle ensures a firm grip while working, and the dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup a breeze. Perfect for both beginner and experienced bakers, this gadget ensures you get the perfect egg every time. Plus, it's compact enough to store in any kitchen drawer. The Tortilla Maker Press makes homemade tortillas easy, With just a few presses, you can create soft, fresh tortillas for tacos, burritos, or wraps. The sturdy cast iron construction ensures durability, while the easy-to-use handle lets you apply even pressure for perfect, uniform tortillas. Great for anyone who loves Mexican cuisine, or anyone wanting to ditch store-bought tortillas. Bonus: it can also be used to make flatbreads or other types of dough. Get precise measurements every time with the OXO Adjustable Measuring Cup. This gadget eliminates the need for multiple measuring cups, as it allows you to adjust the size with a simple slider. Whether you're measuring flour, sugar, or liquids, you'll get the exact amount needed for your recipe. Ideal for bakers or anyone who values precision, this measuring cup simplifies cooking and baking. Fun fact: it's marked in both US and metric measurements, making it ideal for international recipes. Maximize your kitchen space with under-cabinet utensil hooks. These hooks allow you to hang your most used kitchen tools, like spatulas, whisks, and ladles, right under your cabinets. The sleek, minimalist design keeps your kitchen looking organized and tidy, while giving you easy access to your tools. Perfect for small kitchens or anyone who wants to free up drawer space. Bonus: these hooks are adjustable, so you can customize the layout to fit your needs. Get creamy, frothy milk for your coffee or hot chocolate with the Zulle 4-in-1 Milk Frother. This versatile tool froths, whisks, and even warms milk, making it perfect for making lattes, cappuccinos, or even milkshakes. The compact design ensures it doesn't take up much space in your kitchen, and its powerful motor ensures quick results. Whether you're a coffee aficionado or just love a frothy drink, this frother is your new go-to tool. Plus, it's super easy to clean. The electric can opener takes the hassle out of opening cans. Simply place the can, press a button, and let this gadget do the work. It cuts through lids with ease, leaving no sharp edges behind. Perfect for anyone with arthritis, busy professionals, or anyone who wants a safer and more efficient way to open cans. Bonus: the built-in magnet holds the lid after opening, making it easy to dispose of. Crush garlic in seconds with the D-Club garlic press. This easy-to-use tool lets you mince garlic without the mess, keeping your hands odor-free. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, and the durable stainless steel design can withstand even the toughest garlic cloves. Ideal for home cooks, foodies, or anyone who loves adding garlic to their dishes. Plus, the garlic press is dishwasher safe for a quick and easy cleanup. QCN Juicer Machine. Want fresh juice without the mess or headache? The QCN Juicer Machine is a sleek centrifugal extractor that makes juicing ridiculously simple. With a wide-view 3-inch feed chute, you can toss in whole apples or carrots. No chopping needed. It's got 2 speed modes, so you can switch between soft fruits and tougher veggies without missing a beat. Ideal for busy families or anyone chasing a healthy lifestyle on the go. Imagine pressing a button and instantly having a glass of fresh OJ before work. That's the QCN promise. Fun fact: its stainless steel filter spins at 18,000 RPM to squeeze out every last drop. Non-skid spice rack. Tired of digging through a chaotic cabinet just to find the paprika? The non-skid spice rack from Copco is the simple yet brilliant fix your kitchen never knew it needed. With a 3-tiered design and a non-slip surface, it keeps all your jars and bottles clearly visible and securely in place, even when you're in a rush. Perfect for home cooks, apartment dwellers, or anyone craving a more organized pantry. Nylon meat and potato masher. Forget clunky forks or messy mixers. The nylon meat and potato masher is your go-to multitasker for ground meat, potatoes, and more. Its 5 curved blades chop and stir simultaneously, turning big kitchen tasks into one-handed jobs. Made from heat-resistant nylon, it's safe to use on non-stick cookware without scratching anything. Whether you're browning beef for taco night or mashing potatoes for dinner, this tool does it all with minimal effort. Ideal for busy parents, college students, or anyone who wants more results with less cleanup. Bonus, it's dishwasher safe and doubles as a veggie smasher. If you love these tools, there's plenty more where that came from. Click the links, explore more gadgets, and upgrade your kitchen with just a few taps. Thanks for watching Prep Home, and as always, happy cooking!